Guys, in this video I want to show you how good ideogram is in terms of generating text on images. Now I have previously made a video on this one, but this one goes in depth and showing you the real use cases. So my favorite picture that I liked so far, and let me tell you that I didn't make this, the other people in the ideogram community made it public for us to see. So this is the first one. So if you see, this seems like a image of a magazine or sort of like a book for seniors on stretching. We'll come over here on this prompt later. However, for the time being, let's dissect the image. So if you see the image, this says easy home stretch for seniors. Now this is really perfect. You have a senior person stretching in the back, and then the ideogram generated a text on top of it. And well, if you go down and if you notice over here, you'll see that it's written daily exercise routine to build balance and boost confidence. So just this one, this seems to have repeated itself: build balance and then again build balance and boost confidence. And then we also have the name of the author. However, the thing is, if you have a beautifully generated cover, you can at least put a box on top of it and Canva and maybe rewrite this portion over here. Now let's go ahead and see what was the original prompt that was used to generate this image. So the prompt was title easy home stretch for seniors, subtitle daily exercise routine to build balance and boost confidence, author Jerome K. Radar. Prompt: at the heart of the cover, envision an older individual gracefully stretching in the comfort of their home, perhaps surrounded by a warm sunlight filtering through a window. The background could feature a cozy living room setting or a serene outdoor space, evoking a sense of tranquility and accessibility. You see, whoever made this prompt actually went into a lot of detail, and maybe they used ChatGPT or maybe Google Bard or any other software like that for typing out this whole detailed prompt. However, this goes to show that if you are able to put in enough time on making these prompts, you will have an equally beautifully generated image, whether it be Ideogram or Midjourney or any other AI art generation software. However, I've been liking Ideogram lately, so I would say that you should try it out. Now let's come back and see some other art generations. So this one, there are 4 generations for it, but the one that was featured on the home page of Ideogram was this one. Let no day slip over without some comfort received from the word of God. And then in the bottom it says John Knox. Let's see what the original prompt was. A striking dark fantasy illustration featuring a bold statement in medieval reformed typography. You see, the typography also seems from a medieval age, and it goes on to say the phrase say, let no day slip over without some comfort received from the word of God. Now this is the exact text that you will see on this image over here, this one. There are further some more details, like the design is set against a dark, stark background, evoking an atmosphere of mystery and intrigue, skillfully crafted within a 10:16 ratio, and I believe the ratio is the same as well here. The composition is visually appealing and harmonious. So if you want to make quotes like these on images, you can actually use Ideogram and you get 25 generations each day for free. Now as we see some other ones, you'll see that this generation of a Joker, it's actually quite immaculate. I would say quite flawless. Look how equally it distributed the Joker between the upper half of the card and the lower one. And if you see this image, it's also pretty intriguing. Next, I wanted to show you this one that says just do nothing, and it has a Nike swoosh with a cat that is resting on top of it or maybe sleeping. So let's see the original prompt. A striking and a conceptual illustration featuring a large white Nike swoosh silhouette at the top with the cartoon style black and white striped cat laying asleep facing upwards on the swoosh. The typography beneath the swoosh reads just do nothing. So this one is good as well. Now the purpose of this video was to show you how good the text on images with ideogram. And if you are using Midjourney or any other softwares for AI art generation, you should definitely check out ideogram. I've made some other videos on it as well, where I compare ideogram, Midjourney and DALL-E 3 side by side with the same prompts. So you might be interested in checking that out as well. So click right here around on this part of the video, and I'll see you in the next video.